spent $1,000 at Sephora. Let's see everything that I got. If you can't tell, I went all out on Huda Beauty. Got her lip liners, her setting spray. Been dying to try this one out. I got the primer and foundation. Sets of her powder puffs because why not? Color corrector and concealer. Got 2 of her glosses. Ube birthday cake setting powder. 2 of her blushes. I wanted to get the big size of her mascara, but they didn't have any, so I got her mini. Huda Beauty had an event going on, so I ended up getting her mirror and then a makeup bag, which I'm literally so obsessed with. I literally cannot get over all of these Huda Beauty items that I got. Got 3 of her mini setting sprays. Just look at how adorable this little thing is. Going on a trip this week, so I ended up getting the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Essentials kit. I got Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream along with her Flawless Finish. Tatcha, her Dewy Cleanser along with her mini moisturizer. And then I got her under eye cream. I low-key want to put this to the test to see if it actually works, so stay tuned for that. Got Kosas with their Cloud Set Setting Mist and then their concealer. When I tell you, if you have a problem with creasing, this is definitely going to be your best friend. And I wanted to try both of these setting powders. This is the IT Cosmetics Do It All Radiant Concealer. When I tell you, if you're looking for a no makeup look or a natural makeup look, this is going to be your best friend. Really a do it all concealer, skincare and makeup in one, so literally why not give it a try? You'll literally thank me later. Whoa. The Makeup by Mario contour stick. I've never tried it and low-key really want to try it because it's like all over my For You page. Another trending item is these Summer Fridays that I've been dying to try. Then I got 2 of Hourglass's, I don't even know what this is, volumizing glossy balm. On this in the bag, I got another Huda Beauty blush. The lip liners that everyone's swearing by, the Makeup Forever lip liners. I got the intense one and then I got the regular one, so you know, put both of them to the test. Why not? 2 lip plumps from Tarte, and they also had an event going on, so they ended up giving me 2 of their mini setting sprays, a whole bunch of their mascaras, and then they also gave me a freaking bag that is so freaking cute. I love this. Look at this. So cutesy. And then let's not forget the little lip gloss. This is so freaking adorable. Like, I'm literally crying right now. Not even the size of like my freaking finger. Ended off, I got a whole bunch of samples because I ended up spending so much. At the end of the haul, I low-key cannot wait to do a full face of Huda Beauty because that was the whole point. And then I ended up getting carried away and then bought a whole bunch of other stuff. Let me know what you guys think. I think I got a little too carried away. Cannot wait to do a full face of Huda Beauty and try on all of these products. Stay tuned for that, and until then, I love you all. Bye.